In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a PDF link in Google Sheets. Need to attach a PDF to your spreadsheet? Since a cell can't actually hold a file inside it, the professional, reliable way is to link your PDF through Google Drive. This keeps your sheet clean and gives your document a stable web address that Google Sheets can reference without breaking. First, upload your PDF to Google Drive. Open Drive and add your file so it lives in your cloud storage. Once it's uploaded, Drive assigns it a permanent link, and that's the key to making this work smoothly. Storing it in Drive also means you won't have to reattach or relink anything if you share the spreadsheet with others. The file stays in one place and the link points to it every time. Next, in Google Drive, right-click the PDF and choose Share. In the sharing window, change the access to anyone with the link. This setting allows viewers who have your link to open the PDF, even if they don't have direct access to your Drive. Be mindful with confidential documents and only share links with people you trust. When you're ready, click Copy Link. That places the unique URL on your clipboard so you can drop it into your sheet. Now, head back to your Google Sheet. Click the cell where you want the link to live and press Ctrl+K to open the link dialog. Paste the link you just copied. In the text field, replace the long URL with a clear, professional label like View Invoice or Open PDF. Using descriptive text makes your sheet easier to read and helps others know exactly what they're clicking. Click Apply, and you're done. The cell now shows the friendly label, and a single click will open your PDF in a new tab. Here's a quick pro tip. If you paste the link directly into a cell and then press Tab, Google Sheets will convert it into a smart chip. You'll see a clean document icon instead of a raw URL, and when you hover over it, you get a compact preview of the PDF. It's a great way to keep your spreadsheet polished while still giving viewers a hint of what the file is. To recap, upload your PDF to Drive, set the access to anyone with the link, copy that URL, and insert it into your sheet with Ctrl+K and a clear label. Or, use the Smart Chip shortcut for a modern, streamlined look. With this approach, your spreadsheets stay organized, your files remain centrally stored, and your viewers can open the right document in a single click.